last bit of light. I'm hunting this big block surrounded by cypress on one side and bedding on the other, and there's a scrape right over there somewhere. And I had a buck on camera last night, or this morning at 5 a.m. hitting the scrape. And he just came out. He's laying right there. I think he's an 8-point. And let me tell you something. My gun is not shooting right, my 30-06. So I borrowed my dad's 300 Win Mag. And I think my ears are gonna ring until next Christmas. But he came out, like just tiptoeing. And I thought, I better stand up and turn around. Get ready. And there he is. And I've missed an 8-point with my bow. I just missed a really good buck last Saturday with my gun at 35 yards because, well, I don't know. This has been a weird season, but I got one on the ground and I'm pretty pumped. Been a rocky season for me, but now I got some meat in the freezer. Should be interesting. Daddy? Come on. You don't know what to think. A little spike come out, looking around. Daddy, picked a fine place to take a nap. We're supposed to be chasing girls around, just like he taught me. It's a good size 6-point. Big old body on him. Nasty, stinky, dripping wet tarsals. Like he must have just hit a scrape somewhere back in there. But big body. I'm really excited about this deer. I was sitting on that tree right Right there is my climber. So, no, I'm sorry, right there. Anyways, like a 20-yard shot. Pretty pumped.